Okay, let's start. So we have to start chapter 21 today.
Yes, sir.
It's very easy. But some terms are there related to the chapter. Name of the terms. For example, yesterday I explained what is data. Data is collection of information. Okay, collection of numerical information. It could be heights of some students, weights, or any other thing. Okay, any numerical value is known as. Matlab, if you collect it somewhere, any numerical information, if you collect it, that will be called as data now. Okay, so this is data.
Data.
Now, what is raw data? Data when it is in its original form, that is known as raw data. Okay, matlab, if you're not arranging the data in any particular order, if you're not writing it in the form of table or anything, you are not doing anything with the data. If it is in its original form, just say for example, if I write down the weights of all the students of your class, so that data that I prepare, that will be called as raw data. उसको raw data क्यों बोलेंगे? क्योंकि that in its original form. उसके साथ मैंने कुछ भी नहीं करा है, मैंने सिर्फ weights नोट कर ली. अगर वो weights को मैं और किसी order में arrange कर लूंगा ascending or descending order में, then it will not be called as raw data. तो वो raw data नहीं है. Yeah. It will become an array. If I arrange it in ascending order, उसको क्या बुलाएंगे हम? Array बुलाएंगे. Okay. That will be called as an array.
If we arrange them in descending order, what we will call it?
Same. Ascending या descending किसी भी order में arrange कर देंगे, तो हम उसको क्या बुलाएंगे? Array बुलाएंगे. Okay.
Array.
This is known as array. Now, tabulation of data, if you write the data in the form of tables, which you will learn right now. So don't worry about that. Tabulation of data, that is very easy. You will learn what is tabulation of data. Writing the data in the form of tables, that is known as tabulation of data. Observations क्या होते हैं? The suppose if I note down the weights of all the students of a class, तो जो weights हैं, particular weights, मैंने किसी बच्चे का weight उठाया. Suppose the weight is 52 kgs. Okay, so that will be called as an observation. This is one of the observations. So there could be many observations in a data. For example, if there are 40 students in a class, तो वहां पर कितने observations होंगे? 40 observations होंगे. Because हर एक बच्चे का weight जो है, that is known as one observation. So particular value, if I select any particular value, that is an observation. Okay. In whole, the whole information is known as data. कोई एक particular value या more than one particular values, if I select the numerical value, if I select, that is known as observation. Okay. Frequency of an observation, a particular observation, एक कोई particular observation कितनी बार उसमें आ रहा है, that is known as the number of times a particular observation occurs in a data. एक ऑब्जर्वेशन कितनी बार किसी डेटा में आता है, दैट इज नोन एज इट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, द नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स अ डेटा अकर्स. ठीक है. और इन सारी चीजों के साथ डील करना, डीलिंग विद द डेटा, all the whatever type of dealing, whether you arrange it in a particular order or you find the mean or mode or median of the data, or you make a bar graph or a pie chart or histogram or anything you do with the data. ठीक है. That whole thing is known as statistics. ठीक है. ये सारा काम जो है वो statistics के अंदर आता है. So that is why the name of the chapter is statistics. मतलब स्टैट्स भी बुलाते हैं. दिस इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स, द चैप्टर. ओके, so chapter 21 have started. Definitions, if you want you can write in your notebooks. It is not compulsory to write the definitions. I will not be asking definitions in the exams, but you should know the terms. आपको terms पता होने चाहिए कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. ठीक है, अगर मैं कोई term particularly use कर रहा हूँ किसी question में, then you should know what is the meaning. Okay, we are straight away starting with the exercise. Explain मैंने कर दिया आपको क्या होता. बहुत easy काम है. Question number 2. Start करते हैं. There is some data given in the question. The die was thrown 20 times and the following outcomes were recorded. तो outcomes यहाँ पे note करनी है. 5, 2, 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 4, 5. 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5. 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5. 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5 again. 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5. 6, 2, 2, 4, 5, 5. Same. So this is the data given in the question number 2. ये क्या है मैं आपको समझाता हूँ क्या है. तो दिस इज अ डेटा. ये एक डेटा है. क्यों है ये डेटा? यहाँ पर हमने क्या करा, डाइस
Some
जान.
numeric values are given.
Yes, these are numerical values. Some information you have collected in the form of numerical values. That is why it is a data. तो ये क्या डेटा है? Let me explain what type of data is this. डाइस जानते हैं आप? लूडो खेला होगा सबने. लूडो.
Yes, sir.
उसमें जो क्यूब होता है that is known as
Yes,
dice.
sir.
The cube is known as dice. Okay.
Guys,
हाँ जी. तो वो डाइस को थ्रो करा, 20 टाइम्स थ्रो करा और जो जो आउटकम्स आए उनको लिख दिया. फॉर एग्जांपल फर्स्ट टाइम थ्रो करने पे क्या आया था? 5. सेकंड टाइम थ्रो करा तो 2 आ गया. थर्ड टाइम थ्रो किया तो 1 आ गया. फोर्थ टाइम थ्रो करने पर 3 आया. फिफ्थ बार में 4 आया. सिक्स्थ में फिर से 4 आ गया. सेवेंथ में 5 आ गया एंड सो ऑन. ओके. तो ये नंबर्स आ गए डाइस को थ्रो करने पर. कोई नंबर आपको यहाँ पे 6 से बड़ा दिख रहा है आपको? 6 से बड़ा नंबर कोई दिख
no,
रहा है?
sir.
Why? 6 से बड़ा नंबर क्यों नहीं है यहाँ पे?
Sir, because
Sir,
dice has only six.
only have 6 numbers.
Yes, because a dice has only 6 numbers from 1 to 6. Okay. 6 से बड़ा नंबर होता ही नहीं डाइस में, तो बड़ा नंबर यहाँ पे आएगा ही क्यों? Okay. Now you have to arrange this given data in the form of frequency table. पहले तो ascending order में arrange करना है, उसके बाद आपको एक table बनाना है. So I will tell you what to do. First you arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order. How many times 1 is there? 2 times. 1, 1. Yes. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times is 2.
2. So 3 is 1 time.
3 is there only 1 time. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4.
4 times.
4 is 4 times.
Yes, sir.
5, 6 times.
7 times.
6 times over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. And 6 is 6 is coming 2 times. Okay. So this is the data in ascending order. इसको मैंने ascending order में change कर लिया. Okay. Now you make a frequency table for it. बहुत easy काम है frequency table बनाना. So here you will write observation. Observations. Okay. then there is telemark, and then finally there is frequency. Okay. So observations are the outcomes which you have. These are known as observations. So first observation, हर एक observation बस एक बार लिखिए यहाँ पर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the 6 observations, 6 different observations. सारे observations को एक बार लिख लिया मैंने 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 observations are there. Now one is coming 2 times. So you have done this before also in your previous classes also. One अगर 2 बार आ रहा है, so you make 2 sticks. ये sticks हैं stick. डंडे हैं ये. One नहीं लिखा ये मैंने. Okay. One ये है. This is one. ये sticks हैं. 1, 2. And then write the frequency 2 because 1 is coming 2 times. 2 is coming how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 is there. ये आपने पहले भी करा हुआ है. Tally marks बनाना आता है. 1, 2, 3,
Yes,
4,
sir,
4.
we will dot 4 and then
Yes, sir.
cross it.
4 times बनाएंगे and then you cross it.
It becomes 5 times telemark.
Then you cut it like this. So this becomes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is there only one time. 4 is there 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5, 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 करने के लिए एक बार कट कर देंगे and then 6 के लिए एक stick और लगा देंगे. So this becomes 6. And then finally 6 is there only 2 times. So 1, 2, 2. Okay. So if you add them, you will see that the sum will be 20. 20 आ जाएगा देखिए. 7, 8, 12, 18, 20. 20 is the sum. क्यों आ रहा है 20 sum? क्योंकि it is given in the question that there are 20 observations. 20 times dice को throw किया था. तो इसलिए frequencies का जो sum है वो आपका क्या आ जाएगा 20 आ जाएगा. Okay. इसका मतलब क्या है? Frequency क्या होती है? Now you can easily understand what is the meaning of frequency. कि a particular observation is coming how many times? That is known as its frequency. The number of times a particular observation occurs. For example, what is the frequency of 5? What is the frequency of 5?
Sir, 6 times.
6 is the frequency
6
of
times.
5 because 6 is coming, sorry, 5 is coming 6 times in the given data. 5 कितनी बार occur कर रहा है यहाँ पे डेटा में? 6 बार आ रहा है. So that means the frequency of 5 is 6. ये होती है frequency बस. A particular observation is coming how many times? That means the number of times a particular observation occurs. Bus. This is frequency. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Start making a frequency table for question number 3. Same काम करना है. Arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order में data को arrange करो और frequency table बनाना. Start doing it. Question number 3. How much time you will do it? Take to do question number 3? 2 minutes or 3 minutes? Or 4 minutes? Do it, okay. After completing question 3, you have to do question 4 also. Okay, complete both the questions. Question 3 and question 4, do them. Yes, have you all done all the questions? Both the question 3 and 4.
Sir, I am on fourth last part. So in 2 minutes.
Sir, please tell in the second question, under observators, we have to write 260, 300, 360 and 400.
Beta, the data, whatever data is given, you have to arrange it in ascending order. First observation will be 260. Second will be 300. Third will be 360. Like this, you have to write.
Okay, sir.
And then write the frequency, telemark and frequency. Yes, have you all done the third one?
Sir, I have done fourth one also.
Okay. How many of you have done both third and fourth?
So me.
Others still doing? अरे, so इतना time लगाओगे? जरा सा question है.
Sir, none.
Okay. 2 of you have done both.
Yes, sir.
Why the others are taking so much time? Each question should take 3 minutes, not more than that. 3 minutes से ज़्यादा वाला काम थोड़ी है. Okay, now question number 5. Let us discuss these fill up. First part of question 5. First part. Data means information in the form of dash figures. So data में information कौन सी figures में होता है? Numerical figures. Okay, numerical is the answer.
Sir.
First one.
Numerical. Yes, sir.
Second one. Data obtained in the dash form is called raw data. कौन सी form में data होता है दोस्तों? Raw data. Original form. The data in original form. Original आएगा answer. Third one. Arranging the numerical
Array.
figures in ascending or descending order is called an array. ARRAY. Array बुलाते हैं उसको.
Yes.
अगर आप डेटा को ascending या descending order में arrange कर देते हैं, that is known as array.
Array.
Fourth. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called,
Frequency.
yes, its frequency. कोई observation कितनी बार आता है? That is known as frequency. Number of times a particular observation occurs is known as frequency. Last one. Arranging the data in the form of a table is called dash of data. Tabulation of data. किसी डेटा को आप टेबल की फॉर्म में अरेंज कर देते हैं, उसे क्या बुलाते हैं? टेबुलेशन ऑफ डेटा बुलाते हैं. तो ये मैंने यहाँ पर क्या करा है? ये क्या किया है मैंने? दिस इज टेबुलेशन ऑफ डेटा. जी, मैंने यहाँ पर टेबुलेशन ऑफ डेटा किया.